Let's look closer at the concept of digital transformation. In this section, we start with the simple view many managers still look at digital transformation. Then I show a more precise perspective, which also shows why a simplistic view leads to problems. In the second half of the section, I point to the radical change making digital transformation disruptive. I end the section with projecting the implications. Digital transformation often interpreted as a system implementation project. Management often looks at benchmark organizations when trying to solve efficiency problems. When they find an information system at the core of re-engineered business processes, they assume the essential component is the IT solution itself. Their own organization can replicate success by implementing the same system. With the illusion of possessing a quick solution, they push for a system implementation project. They often blame IT for not implementing such a solution earlier. If they get the green light, the first implementation project soon cascades into multiple system implementation and interface development projects with limited overall efficiency gains and much headache. Why is it so? The problem had two layers. The first layer is about our tools. Information systems are only complicated tools. They do not solve problems. They help us solve them. Implementing an advanced information system is comparable to piloting a huge robot with powerful arms, fingers, and legs multiplying our own capabilities. Sure, we can complete a lot more work in the cockpit of this machine, provided we can control it. But to control robotic arms 10 times the reach and power of our own, our moves must be 10 times more precise and skillful. Otherwise, we end up becoming an elephant in the china shop. The second layer is about selecting the right tool to our task at hand. Successful organizations look at their processes first. They break down the organization's mission in integrated processes. They define the boundaries of connections of processes, model activities, and select tools to support them. The driving force is re-engineering processes around redefined business models and not the implementation of some new information system. Digital transformation is a fundamental change in how we make business and not a simple application of new technology to old ways of working. Technology enables the change, but remodeling our business is the core of digital transformation. The figure on the screen captures the essence of this paradigm shift. Advanced digital technology enables a fresh way of cooperation. Instead of possessing information only about the task at hand and sharing information through cascading transactions, contributors rely on the same shared model and information available to all. Not only there is a single source of truth for everyone, but the propagation time of information is zero within the organization. This change has far-reaching implications. Immediate access to relevant information enables efficient processes, but also requires novel approaches and models. Cooperation of contributors also needs new foundations. Besides, organizations cannot limit digital transformations to selected processes only. While digital transformation may be gradual, proceeding from system to system, re-engineering must transfuse the entire organization. Efficiency gains do not derive from system implementations, but new processes and a fresh approach to cooperation enabled by advanced technology. The paradigm's shift also affects culture. In a world where information, including mistakes, propagate with infinite speed and accessed by all stakeholders, trust and cooperation are key. Contributors can correct mistakes fast, but managers cannot hold power positions based on the monopoly of information. Managers need to empower contributors and focus on process improvements and removing obstacles instead of withholding information for decision making. Digital transformation is not about system implementation. It is not even about a roadmap for consecutive system implementations. Digital transformation is about the complete renewal of business under a new paradigm advanced technology brought about. It starts with embracing the new paradigm. It requires fundamental cultural change and ends in a complete overhaul of business models and processes.